The most active weather for the week will come during the next 12 hours, associated with light wintry precipitation, mainly across the Idaho Panhandle. By Tuesday, high pressure will begin to build into the region and persist well into the start of next week. Expect strengthening temperature inversions leading to air stagnation, persistent low clouds, fog, and potentially riming of ice. On this graphic, the area shaded in gray outlines the locations where areas of light wintry precipitation will impact through this evening. Following tonight, high pressure will begin to build into the region and persist well into next week. This will shield the inland northwest from the main storm track, leading to an extended dry period. Under these weather regimes, strong temperature inversions develop, resulting in mild temperatures for the middle and upper slopes of the mountains while cool air stays trapped in the valleys. This will act as a lid to trap airborne pollutants and lead to air stagnation and decreasing air quality. The mild temperatures on the mountains will also lead to some melting snow. As a result, an air stagnation advisory has been issued for much of central Washington. The winter weather advisory for the Idaho Panhandle will remain in effect until this evening. Given the cold temperatures experienced over the last few days and potential for some mountain snowmelt, it is urged to closely monitor any frozen rivers for potential ice jams and relay any information to the National Weather Service. The pattern will also lead to the potential for riming of ice on surfaces where fog and low clouds are most persistent. For those who are unaware, riming is the process when supercooled water droplets within the fog freeze to surfaces. In the event back in 2009, a similar pattern led to a pseudo-ice storm without any precipitation actually falling from the sky, shown here in this picture from near Davenport. During the event in 2009, the hardest hit areas were along the Highway 2 corridor between Spokane and the Waterville Plateau, at elevations generally between 2,000 and 3,000 feet. While the upper level pattern is remarkably similar, it is still uncertain whether we have identical moisture and temperature profiles at the surface to support such a high impact icing event. Current model guidance suggests the area shaded in gray would have the highest probability for the boundary layer moisture, supportive of the fog and low clouds, but we will have to closely monitor how long this moisture remains intact. The 8 to 14 day outlook issued by the Climate Prediction Center shows a better than average chance of near to above normal temperatures coupled with near to below normal precipitation during the week of January 21st through the 27th. This would imply that high pressure will likely persist but become less amplified. So in summary, this week will be rather quiet weather-wise after tonight. Strong high pressure will be the dominant weather feature. This will promote warming in the mountains, continue cool for the valleys, and increasing risk for air stagnation. Bitterly cold temperatures over the last few days would also raise some concern for icing on rivers and potential for ice jams in the coming days. Here is how you can stay informed and get the latest information from the National Weather Service in Spokane. Our forecasts and various winter weather products are available on our website, weather.gov/Spokane. You can like us on Facebook, Twitter, and subscribe to us on YouTube. And as always, you can listen to us on NOAA Weather Radio. Thank you for tuning in for this weekly weather briefing.